Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great time. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've wanted to do for a while, and that is related to my current obsession, Animal Crossing. I know everyone is on it at the moment and it's so much fun. So I thought I would give you guys a little tour of my house because I finally paid off all of my debts to Tom Nook. And I have like every room you can have. My island is still getting there, so hopefully I'll get an island tour done sometime in the future, but I thought it would be great if I could do a little house tour for you. So with that, let's dive right into the video. That music is literally in my head all the time. Just gonna turn it down a little. This is the music that plays in my dreams now. I am obsessed. So let's dive right in. Sorry, you can see me in the reflection of my TV. I don't have like a capture card or anything, so I can record the Switch, so I'm doing it with my iPad. It's yeah, it's a choice. Okay, so welcome to my house, guys. I will show you like just around my house a little bit because I am quite happy with it now. So if I could just come down here quickly to show you guys. So my house is up here and I've got all the flowers around this bottom tier here, all the way around. And then up here I've got my black roses and the few gold roses I've managed to breed since I got my 5-star rating on my island. Down these stairs here is to this section of the beach, which isn't done yet, but this is like my private beach because I've cut it off from the rest of the island, so the only way to get to it is from my house. Makes me feel fancy. So yeah, this is my little house, guys. Come on in. Sorry for the music, I should have changed it. I'm trying to collect all of the music, but my favorite is stale cupcakes. It just makes me so happy. So yeah, this is the main room in my house. It's the city landscape wallpaper that I got from Sahara, which is cool. It makes me feel like I'm on like a penthouse or something looking down over the city. This is like my relaxing little living room area, just having my dinner near the fire. Then here's like my little fishbowl and cat post for my imaginary pets that I don't have. My little hamster. Foosball table if anyone wants to come over and play. Then on the wall I have a university thing. I have a couple of records where I've got duplicates by accident. A plant, a clock. And this is just my little room so far. It's a little light switch and a thermostat. And this little macrame hanging thing. I really want one of those in my actual flat. I think it's gorgeous. A theme throughout my house is a lot of plants. Like in my real flat, I just love plants. This is my kitchen, and as you can tell, Stale Cupcakes is playing again. One of my favorite people in the world is Spanish, and she sent me this when I first started, so I'll leave that playing in my kitchen. But yeah, I was going for just a really homey feel. I like green, again with the plants. My coffee machine because I'm obsessed with coffee. Another espresso machine on the hob. I put this little rug down in case anything drops on the floor when I'm preparing food. And I love the like ironwood collection of furniture. So ironwood recipes, I'm collecting them like a crazy person. And then this is just a little mat to rub your feet on. And that's my little kitchen. The next room. So this is my bathroom. I've got the cloud flooring to make it look kind of steamy. This shower was one of the like biggest purchases, first big purchases I made. I think it was like 100 and something thousand bells. And at the time for me, that was like a real stretch when I bought it. I didn't even have any other bathroom things. So I just kind of splurged on that. I've got a little toilet. Just wash my hands quickly. Then obviously a bath here with my little towel basket and a bin and more plants. I don't know how I feel about this wallpaper. I used to have some tiles on here. I might change it back, but yeah. And then a little fragrance stick and some candles from when I'm having a nice little bath. And this is my washer in the corner. I love this, it's so cute. Oh, and scales, because obviously my Animal Crossing character is on a weight loss journey just like me. So the room off to the side here is my office. I've got my desk and books, a little blackboard for when I need to have some little ideas. I've put all my Home Academy wards up in here because it just kind of felt like it went with the room a bit. I've got a science kit here for my experiments, some papers, notes and things that are just thrown around. Just like my home office, it's a little bit messy, but I love it. It gives me that really like homey feeling to have a little office in here. So yeah, I love it. So this is probably my favorite room. This is the kind of bedroom area. This is my little attic hideaway. So this here with, oh, I want this rug in real life, it's gorgeous, is my bed, my teddy, because even though I'm old, I still like having a teddy, not in bed with me, but just one that I've had since I'm really little, so it reminds me of that, my alarm clock. And then up here I've got the hanging plants on the walls and a little seating area with a game of Go, a cello and a ukulele, because I play the violin and guitar in real life, so this kind of reminds me of that. This certificate up here, I've put it up because it reminds me of my degree. So, and then there's a little like desk for if I want to send some letters. And there's also like a little notice board there. So just like the ones I used to have in my uni room. And then this area here, oh, I've changed the perspective on the camera, is like my get changed area, as if I'm making my own little clothes here. Suitcase when I need to go traveling, my jewelry, a mirror and my wardrobe. And if I just give you a little sneak peek in my wardrobe, I am obsessed with the clothing on this game. Like, I just buy it all, like everything. It's so bad. I've really got an obsession, guys. Let's change outfits. So just like in real life, I'm really obsessed with beige at the moment, so I might just go for a little cute beige look for the rest of the tour. Go down there. And then the last room in my house is the basement. This is kind of an odds and ends room. I haven't fully decided what I want to do with this yet. At first I thought I'd have it as like a guest room, so I have this bunk bed in here, a little wardrobe as well, and I was going to get more of these separators to give them a little bathroom area. I love how it flashes. And then I've got the two versions of the switches you can get in the game. I've also managed to get 2 of the train tables. I know you can get the model trains for summer and winter as well, so I'd love to collect all 4 and put them somewhere on my island. And then I've also got these like worker bench things here. I'm gonna move my workbench down here, I think, and have it as a crafting area for when I need to make things. The wallpaper was another mysterious wallpaper from Sahara, and I just love how the river looks like it's moving. I love the animated wallpapers. I think they're so... But yeah, so that's it for my island. Getting ahead of myself. So that's it for my house tour. I hope you've enjoyed. Let's give a little... I am obsessed with this game, like I said. I've really been enjoying it. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my house and are looking forward to my island tour, because I have invested so much time in this game. I need to share it with people. I need the validation. So, see you next time, guys. Love ya.